Good morning, everyone. Students, today I'm going to explain you about digital root. What is digital root? There are two digits we can observe in the topic. Number one is digital and the other one is root. First of all, let me tell you what is digit. Digital number is derived from the word digit, which means a number, and root means the basic one. The basic one or the first one. The digital root is used in multiples, in multiplication. The digital root concept is used with multiplication. When we are going to find out what are the factors of any multiple given, or either this multiple this multiple can be divided by any factor or not. Then we use this concept of digital roots. All right, digit means number and root means basic or the first one. All right. Suppose if we are going to take the multiples of 3, multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Got it? Okay. These are the multiples of 3. Children, what is the role of digital rule, or how can we apply digital root on this? Or what is the concept digital root is if we talk about in relation to multiplication? The concept of digital root is that if we have, suppose the basic number, the root number of multiples of 3 is 3. If we won't have 3, suppose I would say, if we won't have 3, if we won't have 3, how can we construct the rest of the numbers if we won't have the basic number, which is 3? We had 3, the root number is 3, so that's why we added another 3 and constructed on 6, then another 3 constructed on 9, then another 3 is 12, then another 3 is 15, then another 3 is 18, 21, and so on. Understand? So the root number, the basic number of multiples of 3 is 3. Okay, now number 1. Number 2, digital root is always a single digit. Digital root is always a single digit, and the place value of digital root is always unit. The place value of digital root is always unit. All right. Number 3. Number 4 is when we talk about, suppose we are saying 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now, how can we calculate the digital root of the multiples of 3? How can we calculate? There is simple method. This is single digit. So we can say the digital root of 3 is 3. This is also single digit. This is also single digit. These are two digits. So what we will do, we will add the digits. 1 plus 2, and the answer would be 3. Children, on the sideways, I want to explain you one important thing. The difference between a number and a digit. If I say I have written 164, this is a number, and how many digits are there? 1, 2, and 3. So this we call it a 3-digit number. Understand? Same is the case in 12. There are 2 digits. Add both the digits and the answer is 3. So 3 would be the digital root. Over here, add both digits, 1 plus 5, and the answer is 6. So 6 will be the digital root. Over here, add both digits, 1 plus 8, and the answer is 9. Digital root is 9. Over here, digital root is 3, 6, and 9 again, and then again 3. Now you can see that what is the sequence of the digital roots of all the multiples of 3 from 1 to 10. This is 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Again 3. Or if you would go with 33 and 36, it would be again 6, and this would be again 9. So, and so on. So that means the digital root of the multiples of 3 is actually 3, 6, and 9. So these are the root numbers with which we can construct upon all the multiples of 3. I hope everybody is clear. Now you people are going to do page number 7 of RSM practice book. Thank you very much, children. See you in the next session.